Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will show how to plot bubble plots using ggplot2 in R. So we know a bubble plot actually is a kind of sketch plot between two variables, but can also set the size and shape of the point like above. So the basic functions is ggplot with the data frame and with the variable x and y. So we set the size, and the size usually connected with another variable. And some options also set in the ggplot function. So next we will show how to plot bubble plots in RStudio. So first we load library ggplot2. Then we also load a library called rcolor because it can be used to set the color. Then we use a data frame called empty cars. And we also create another data frame called df. Then we set the variable cyl as factor because this variable will be connected with the color. Next, we show several observations of this data frame. So car and mpg cylinder and hp weight and q second, these variables we will use in the plot. So next we can plot a bubble plot using ggplot with this data frame. Then AES, inside AES, X is WT weight, Y is MPG. Then function point, and inside AES, color using cylinder variable, size use Q second variable, and we set also transparent 0.5. So next is scale color menu with the value 3 value for cylinders categorical value, and size we set a range 0.4 12. So you can see this bubble plot quite illustrative. So the variable WT and MPG actually sketch plot. Then in the legend we can see cylinder 3 values with 3 different color, and Q second values for different sides of the point. So next example is quite similar as the first one, with the difference is that we just use a predefined color palette called spectral. Other all the same as before. So you can see this bubble plot also quite similar, but the color little different with a predefined color palette. Thanks for watching.